Okay, so this is the road, basically, the alleyway, which is connected to the main road. It is in Duan region, in Phu Quoc, the main region. And this is going to be just the hotel tour, not the room tour. So the room tour video is going to be coming up next. So this is the main entrance. You can hire these bikes. And this is the reception area. So, and that's some of the rooms there. And basically they have these separate areas and separate rooms here, which is basically for like your preference. If you want to prefer a separate room, you can stay here. And like double bed rooms are like this. And yeah, this beautiful garden leads you to their pool and also private beach. So yeah, and at the same time you have these hut type establishments, also rooms, and yeah, beautiful property. So yeah, here it is, what it's like. And so here's the pool. You can enjoy that if you like. And there's the beach. You see what's going on. There is the restaurant right there. And there is the beach, basically. Yeah, private beach. So, yeah. Here it is. Beautiful. Really calm and serene. There's also a swing, 2 swings actually. So, this is what Phu Quoc is about. Look at that. Beautiful. And this is the property. Yep. There is the restaurant. And let me go a little bit more ahead. So, yeah. This is what it is. Long stretch of beach owned by private hotels, and there's the aircraft, you can see, because the airport is just right around the corner. So yeah, really nice.